Health Department is warning that informal gatherings are becoming a weak spot in Minnesota's fight against COVID.
Some of those events are happening outside, but there is a concern about what happens when the cold weather comes. So how safe is outside compared to inside? Good question. Here's Heather Brown.
Do you try and keep everything outside?
Yeah.
We go for walks, 6-foot walks.
We eat on a patio at a restaurant.
If I'm meeting new people, I try to meet outside.
From the start,
I'm appreciative that I can be out.
we've been told
It's better for us to be outside. It's better for us to be separate.
outside is better than in.
When we've talked about the value of outdoors, people have taken that to mean that outdoors are somehow safe and without risk. And that's not the case.
For sure, people are less likely to transmit COVID outdoors. One study out of Japan found the odds are almost 20 times higher inside than out.
You're going to have much greater airflow.
They talk about ventilation a lot.
You have constant air circulation.
The virus will get kind of blown away, if you will.
UV sunlight degrades the virus.
And you just have more space. So those are all really positive.
It's the virus.
And you just have more space. So those are all really positive things about being in an outdoor setting.
But with worries about community transmission here in Minnesota, experts want to remind people just being outside won't fully protect you.
If people aren't social distancing, if they're not wearing a mask, being outside isn't sufficient to overcome that.
We were with some friends at Como Park a couple weeks ago, and in the pavilion there was a wedding going on. They were close together, no masks.
It's really hard to mingle with a 6-foot bubble around you.
I guess in that sense, yeah, people let their guards down because we get a little bit closer.
MDH doesn't track whether Minnesota COVID cases were spread in or outside, but they will start conducting case studies with that question.
Are you worried about the fall and the winter? Yeah.
That's one of the concerns that we have is if we're not really attentive to the details when we can be outside and in a good situation, what's going to happen when we're stuck inside.
So good thing I like going outdoors no matter what the temperature.
Heather Brown, WCCO 4 News.
Experts say that you don't always have to wear masks outside, like if you're walking or running, and will only quickly pass by someone.
It's an outdoor social gathering. They say wear the mask to get to your spot, and then when you get there, stay at least 6 feet apart.